Hi, welcome back. Today we're working on the witch's hats knitting stitch here that I've got. It's going to look like that. And I've already started it, but I'm ready to do another repeat and you can follow along with me. So I'll pick up the needles in a moment and we'll begin with the first row. So for this stitch, you're casting on multiples of 14 plus 3. It's an 8-row repeat. So with the first row, we're going to purl 3, yarn over, SSK, purl 3, knit 1, purl 3, knit 2 together, yarn over, and we're going to repeat until the last 3 stitches. So, yep, just follow along with me. Let's purl 3, yarn over, SSK, and then we're going to purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1, purl 3 again, knit 2 together, yarn over, and then we repeat again. Now for the second row and all even rows that are on the wrong side, we will work the stitches as they appear. So we're going to knit all the knits and purl all the purls. With the yarn overs, we need to purl them. So purl all yarn overs. And that looks like the following. So that's presenting as knit. Okay, here we have a yarn over, so we're going to purl this one. And then that's a purl. Back to knitting. 1, 3. Here we have a purl. Knit. Knit. See that? Looks like a knit. Here we have a purl. Coming across another yarn over. Purl it. Another yarn over from the previous row, needs purling. It's a purl. And you get the picture and you follow that across and you do that with all the wrong side rows. Okay, now going on to the third row. We purl 3. Yarn over, knit 1, SSK, so that's a decrease. Now we purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 2 together, knit 1, yarn over, and then we begin the row again, the repeat with a purl 3, and you get the picture. You keep going. So you keep going to the last 3 stitches where you purl 3. Then you turn the work around for the 4th row. You repeat the 2nd row as I showed you before. Okay, moving on now to row 5. We begin like that. So we purl 3. Yarn over. And knit 2. We do a decrease, SSK. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 2 together, knit 2, yarn over, and then we repeat again till the end. Okay, so after you have repeated row 6, which is on the wrong side where we're copying this one, we move on to row 7. Okay. Row 7 there, you can see it, is purl 3, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 3, 3, decrease SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and then yarn over. Then we repeat again until we get through the rest of the row. Okay, and there you have it. Here I've completed 2 8-row repeats and I've done 2 multiples of 14 plus 3. And it turns out like this. It's very nice. And when you block it, it'll look like this. Please like, share and subscribe. It really helps my channel. And also if you want a print, follow the link and you can download this print and save it and print to your computer. Thank you. Bye.